Hey, what's up, everybody? John Hiley here with a PDR tool report. I'm going to be featuring the wood. The wood is a 1-inch diameter carbon fiber rod that has been absolutely built to perfection. I am loving all of the details. I am loving the additional T handle. You can actually buy and upgrade to that. I am loving the comfort grip on the end and also the very, very fine fitted tolerance of this tool. The finish is amazing, the look is amazing, and it is absolutely powerful. People are known to do pull-ups, do chin-ups, all kinds of stuff. Pole vaulting, well, maybe not that, but definitely very, very strong 1-inch carbon fiber rod. If you're interested in the wood, head on over to deadondenttools.com or AnsonPDR.com.